You probably know garlic is good for lowering blood pressure. But what if I told you this tiny white bulb is one of the most powerful natural medicines in your kitchen, and most people still don't use it the right way? Today, I'll show you exactly what garlic can do, why it works, and how one simple habit can change your health far more than you expect. Let's begin. Think about this for a moment. Garlic has been used for thousands of years, not just for taste, not just for cooking, but as medicine. Ancient healers used it to treat infections, boost strength, and heal wounds. Modern science caught up and discovered the same truth. When you crush garlic, it releases allicin, one of the most powerful natural healing compounds in the world. That's why garlic works so fast on blood pressure. Allicin helps relax your blood vessels, so your heart doesn't have to fight so hard. But that's only the beginning. Let me break it down simply. If you're always getting sick, if you catch colds easily, you need garlic in your life. It boosts your white blood cells and helps your body fight back harder and faster. Garlic is a small, fiery warrior inside your kitchen, and when it comes to fighting bacteria and boosting immunity, few natural foods come close. Its secret weapon is allicin, a powerful compound released the moment you crush or chop a clove. Allicin weakens harmful bacteria, slows their growth, and disrupts their ability to multiply. At the same time, garlic rallies your immune system, raising the activity of protective white blood cells, sharpening your body's response to infections, and helping you recover faster from colds or seasonal bugs. In short, garlic doesn't just flavor your food, it fortifies your defense system from the inside out. Inflammation is the root of joint pain, aging, weight gain, and even high blood pressure. Garlic helps calm that internal fire, so your body can finally heal. This is huge. Garlic is a natural antibiotic without destroying your gut like real antibiotics do. People who take raw garlic regularly report fewer infections, quicker recovery, and stronger immunity long-term. Studies show garlic helps reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, and supports healthy triglyceride levels. It's like a mini heart protection capsule that grows in the soil. Healthy gut, healthy body. Garlic acts as a prebiotic. It feeds your good gut bacteria and helps them grow stronger. This means better digestion, better mood, better energy. If you're pre-diabetic or struggling with sugar spikes, garlic could help improve how your body uses insulin. Okay, so how do you actually use garlic to get these benefits? Here's the simplest, fastest method. Step 1. Take one fresh garlic clove. Step 2. Crush it and leave it for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. Step 3. Swallow it with water, or mix it with honey, if the taste is too strong. That's it. 1 minute. Huge impact. Do it daily or even 3 to 4 times a week. Your heart, your blood pressure, your immunity, your gut, they will all feel the difference. Now, listen carefully. Garlic is powerful. Very powerful. If you're on blood thinners, or if you have stomach issues, talk to your doctor first. But for most people, garlic is safe, natural, and incredibly healing. Your health doesn't always need complicated diets, expensive supplements, or hours of research. Sometimes, a simple food your grandmother used every day is the exact thing your body needs. Garlic is one of those foods. Start small, stay consistent, let your body feel the difference. If you want more natural remedies that actually work, I'm here every day to help you heal the simple way.